I'm Dr. Aruna Prasad, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist, practicing at Pranav Skin and Cosmetology Clinic, Bangalore. For any firecracker burn, there's nothing majorly like home remedy. Probably you have to wash it with cold water, not very cold water, not like ice water. Avoid putting ice cubes on it, and please do not do all these toothpaste applications, turmeric applications and all that. As much as possible, if there is an antibiotic cream, apply, or even just a simple oil or any lubricant, even a moisturizing cream you can apply. And if there is a blister, do not rupture the blister, just let it be there. It itself will burst after it gets a little more fuller in a day or two. For more videos, please subscribe to Doctor Circle.